Uh, I always wanted to do this course, so today I have a bit of time, so I want to talk about programming concept in Python. So what is this course about? This course is really not some kind of hardcore technical Python course you can find online anywhere, but this is a course about programming concepts. So why I'm doing this, because I want you to have a taste of the programming world. Because when I first started, I was drilling very hard on technical programming courses. I didn't have time to appreciate the programming concept. It was really hard, and I was like hitting my head on the wall again and again until I get it correct. That is why I don't want anybody to go to that route. I want you to appreciate the programming course, uh, programming concepts. Once you learn to appreciate that, it will be easier for you to go on to the next step. And before going into the course, I also want to debunk some of the myths of programming. I have an analogy here: is that programmer is similar to construction workers, but we call programmers like knowledge construction workers. Why do I say that? Is because like you can imagine construction workers, they are building very complex buildings using different kinds of tools, and they build brick by brick, and it's quite similar to programmers. Writing a program is quite similar to build a building. Like you need to design different levels and think about where to put the lift and elevator, right? So why I'm putting up this analogy is construction workers, they go to do their work day in and day out, and they are doing they are learning by doing. And if you're just watching those kind of online video about programming, do you think you can build a building yourself? I think the answer is obviously no, right? It's as construction workers, you go to site and you learn by doing. So only by doing then you learn. It's similar to programming, and there are many courses out there talking about if you learn this course you can become a good programmer. I do not think so, because this kind of skill is really take years to polish. But polishing to become a good programmer is not aim this course. So in this course, I will just going to show you the programming concept, really to appreciate the concept behind programming, and you will learn how to appreciate it and how it has become the building block of the world. And whether you just started to get interest in programming, and this will be the gateway for you, or you're interested in AI and all the technologies and you have no ideas what they are, then you can go through this course. And I'll try my best to make things very easy in a very simple story throughout. My aim is for you to watch these videos without break, just to go through it and you have a totality of how programming works. That's about it. And in the next section, I will talk about the required tools for this course, and I hope to see you again.